Hello viewers, welcome to Computer Tips and Tricks by Soumen in this channel. Today I came back a new video. In this video you can see how to change display brightness easily. So let's start the video, see it. For this, press here in notification button and click on expand. Here you can change your display brightness so here see this. You can see that I can reduce and upward this brightness. This is the first step. You can change it by another way. For this, you have to press Windows then U. Windows plus U. Here open display setting. From here you can also change this. From here you can see my brightness is now 40%, next 72%. I always keep brightness low for eyes. It is harmful for eyes. So viewers, if you like the video, press the like button and share to your friends who know about computer. So see you in next video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe my channel. Thank you.